Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Random and k-murdock. In the middle, you should. This is Glen. Glen has been our lifeline. He has been, quite frankly, literally, he's been saving our life out here. He is our translator. He's been our organizer, and it's a huge help. So, Glen, I'm going to get some words from you on, what you thought of the tour and what we've been doing so far, and how you like it. Give us some words.
I enjoyed it very much. This is a very important stuff, and I'm just helping out the B.A.R.K world, and hopefully this will keep on going on and on and on. We still need to go back to the Electric City to get all the retro game that you wanted to get.
Oh, he remembered. I have to get myself a Nintendo and some game. I have to. I gotta get a Nintendo or a Famicom and at least one of the Rockman games. I have to. So
unfortunately, the gold-plated Rockman, the store wasn't selling.
I can't afford that one. They weren't even selling it anymore. But yeah. So it's just been an amazing experience. I wanted to make sure that you all know this is the man, Glen here. Asu, who already walked into the camera. You might as well give it. So I mean, it's been unbelievable. Right now we are in Kyoto.
Mr. Translator Man.
Mr. Translator Man.
Yeah, that's his stage name, Mr. Translator.
How long have you been doing this translator thing?
15 years.
Wow.
The on and off is I had a website, Mr. Translator Man, on Facebook, and Facebook cut it off. Because Mr. Translator Man is not a real name, and they wanted a real name.
Are you serious? You gotta create a business account now, like a profile page.
But if anyone needed any kind of translation, please go through K-murdock Entertainment, and they will be able to help you out.
This is the man. Seriously, if you ever go to Japan, what other languages do you translate?
English to Japanese, Japanese to English. All
He's all
local
over that.
dialect, and a lot of time I just like to.
All right, get the bullet train real quick. Get the front of the train.
到着の列車は10時29分発光512号東京行き
You guys need to get onto this.
That's a different looking one.
That was much different than the other.
Yeah, this is the old one.
We got a bootleg bullet train. I'm gonna go complain about that. We'll see you guys later.